Notebook LM AI is one of the most exciting AI tools that just hit the market, and today I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're looking to stay ahead in the AI game, this is definitely a tool you're going to want to check out. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know if Notebook LM AI is worth your time. And by the way, you can try this software completely free through the link in the description. So let's dive in. First things first, Notebook LM AI is designed to make managing your work and personal tasks much easier. It combines the power of large language models with a sleek, user-friendly interface that makes complex tasks feel almost effortless. Whether you're a business owner or just someone who needs help with daily tasks, Notebook LM AI can automate a wide range of things, saving you time and mental energy. One of the standout features is its ability to handle multi-step processes without breaking a sweat. It's like having a super efficient personal assistant who understands complex workflows and can seamlessly handle them from start to finish. If you've used other AI tools, you'll find Notebook LM AI's multitasking capabilities really stand out. It adapts to your needs quickly, helping you stay productive and on track. The second thing you'll want to know is its natural language understanding. Notebook LM AI is exceptional when it comes to understanding the nuances in your input. It doesn't just respond to keywords, it comprehends the context and provides relevant, detailed answers. This means that you can communicate with the software as if you're talking to a human, and that makes it much easier to get what you need done without any frustration. Another major benefit is how customizable it is. You can personalize Notebook LM AI to suit your workflow and preferences. Want it to integrate with your calendar or project management tools? No problem. The software allows you to tailor its functionality, so it feels like it was built just for you. It's an incredible tool for those who need a lot of flexibility and adaptability in their work tools. And let's talk about the speed. When you're using Notebook LM AI, you'll notice how quickly it processes your requests. This isn't one of those slow, clunky AI tools that leaves you waiting around for results. Whether you're asking for summaries, generating reports, or brainstorming ideas, this software gets things done fast, which is a game changer for those with tight deadlines or high-demand tasks. One of the key things that sets Notebook LM AI apart from similar tools is its ability to generate high-quality content across different formats. Whether you're writing blog posts, emails, or even social media captions, Notebook LM AI can produce content that's not only relevant, but also polished. It's like having an experienced copywriter at your fingertips without needing to hire anyone. Now, you might be wondering about security and privacy, especially when dealing with sensitive information. Notebook LM AI offers robust security features, making sure your data is handled with the utmost care. With encryption and secure cloud storage, you can trust that your files and personal information are in good hands. Lastly, Notebook LM AI has a really straightforward onboarding process. You won't be lost in a sea of tutorials or confusing settings. Just sign up and you're off to the races with everything you need right at your fingertips. It's a great option for anyone new to AI, as well as seasoned pros who want something that works without a steep learning curve. So, is Notebook LM AI worth your attention? Absolutely. From its powerful multitasking capabilities to its ease of use, it offers a lot of value for anyone looking to take advantage of AI. And remember, you can try this software for free using the link in the description below. Before we wrap up, make sure to check out my recommended AI tools in the description after trying thousands of AI softwares myself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.